Hi, I'm Matthew, and I'll be demonstrating my implementation of the system, and I'll show you the key features by running through the test scenarios. So first of all, I created three events. So for those three, they are of type string, and for another two, they are of type integer. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to demonstrate the basic message lifecycle. So I've created some entities. As you can see, I've created the topic, a partition, a producer, a consumer group, and a consumer, and they work as they have the message. So next, I'm going to show the topic. And as you can see, yep, the message is printed out for partition one. Yep, so that's good. And when I consume the message, you see the consume message is also printed out. So yeah, the lifecycle, the basic message lifecycle works. And next, I'm gonna demonstrate the type safety and the producer allocation options. So let's just produce the integer logic first. As you can see, I've created the topic and two partitions, and I'm also created two producers, one with the random allocation and the second one with the manual allocation. Okay, so yeah, I also produce an event and produce another event. So the events are produced with different producer, right? Yeah. So okay. So let's show the topic. As you can see, now like the random producer's message could go either like partition, while the manual producer's message went exactly where specified. So for manual producer message, it went to P1, and for the random, it just go either. Okay. So I also checked the error case, and when I produced an event with random producer, it didn't work because like it doesn't have this producer, right? And when I use the num producer and produce an event with partition 2, it doesn't work as well because the random producer cannot specify partition key. Yeah, so that seems working for this test scenario as well. So next, I'll demonstrate the producers and consumers working in parallel. And first of all, let's create topic, partition, and two producers, one with the random allocation and second one with the manual allocation. And next, I'm gonna parallel produce the topic, the event, and you can see it works. And after that, I'm gonna show the topic. Yep, and you see it works. And after that, I'm gonna produce one more event for the manual producer for partition 2, since there is no event for partition 2 now, right? So to show how the parallel consume work, I will produce one more event. So now you can see both partition have events. So after that, I'm gonna create the consumer group and two consumers as well. And you can see when I show the consumer, yeah, they are created successfully. And when I parallel consume, you can see there are two messages now, which means that it works perfectly. Yeah. So after that, I'm gonna demonstrate the consumer group management and the rebalancing strategy. And that's created, those stuff. And yeah, notice that the consumer group is using the range rebalancing. And when I show consumer, yeah, it works. And when I set consumer group rebalancing strategy to round robin and show consumer, you see how the partition swap now. So for partition 2, is for consumer 1 now, and for partition 1 is for consumer 2 now. So they swap. And when I delete the consumer 2, you see when I show the consumer, like the automatic rebalancing is done. And now for two partitions, they are for consumer 1 as well. Yeah, and lastly, I will just demonstrate the message replay functionality. Firstly, I'm creating the producer using the random allocation and produce two events. Okay, and when I consume events, the message are here. And when I play back from offset 0, you see how two message are printed. And when I play back from offset 1, you see only one message is printed. So this works perfectly. And I also implemented an additional command, which is the help command, which prints out all the available commands. So this is my demonstration of the system. Thank you.